Hi, in this video we're going to work out this problem. We have to differentiate f of x equals the arcsine of the arctangent of the arccosine of x. This is a problem from a book I have. The book is by Michael Spivak, that's the author, and the book is called Calculus. This is just one of the exercises in the book. Okay, so I guess before we do this problem, we should know what the actual formulas are for the derivatives of arcsine, arctangent, and arccosine. So if you have the derivative with respect to x of the arcsine of x, the formula for this is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So that's the formula for the derivative of arcsine. For arccosine, it's very similar. You basically just put a negative sign on this formula. So very easy to remember. So arccosine of x, the formula there is negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. I'm going to sharpen my pencil here. All right, got to get a sharp pencil for this problem. And then arctan is also a familiar one that people typically see like in a calculus class. Arctangent of x, this one would be 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay, so now let's go ahead and blow through this problem. We're just basically going to repeatedly use the chain rule. So f prime of x. So we're going to take the derivative of the outside function, and we're going to leave the inside untouched, right? You take the derivative of the outside, you evaluate it at the inside, and then you multiply by the derivative of the inside. That's the chain rule. So the derivative of arcsine is this formula here. Okay, so it'll be 1 over, that's a very, very big over, square root, okay, 1 minus, and then instead of x, it's all of this. So parentheses, arctangent, oh, I love a sharp pencil, arccosine of x. Oh, squared. It wasn't over enough. It wasn't big enough. There we go. Times, so we basically took the derivative of arcsine. We left the inside untouched. Now we multiply by the derivative of the inside here. So now we're going to use the arctan formula. This is our inside piece now. Derivative of arctan is 1 over 1 plus x squared. But instead of x, it's arc cosine x squared times the derivative of arc cosine, which is just this here, right? That's the derivative of the inside. So negative 1 over 1 minus x squared. And I guess we could put the negative in the front. I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use my super magical eraser. The negative sign has disappeared, and now I'm going to put it here. So yeah, that would be the derivative. So kind of just a random problem I thought I would just show you how to do. Good luck.